Welcome to a $210 million architectural masterpiece, where biomorphic design meets pure Lake Como luxury. Experience the overwhelming scale as gold rib-like structures flow seamlessly along the edge of Lake Como. Step inside the monumental entry atrium with towering biomorphic skeletal arches and seamless, light-filled alabaster surfaces. Relax in this massive drawing room featuring bespoke parametric furniture surrounded by endless, flowing biomorphic gold geometry. The primary lounge is a boundless sanctuary with complex biomorphic ceiling folds and absolute zero-sharp edges. Behold the master kitchen's colossal biomorphic gold island and seamless obsidian cabinetry built directly into fluid walls. Host extraordinary banquets at this massive biomorphic gold dining table with panoramic, curved smart glass visibility. Rule your empire from this exclusive home office featuring a stunning cantilevered gold desk and boundless biomorphic architecture. This monumental master suite showcases a huge circular floating bed framed by continuous biomorphic gold curves. Relax in this opulent ensuite with an enormous monolithic gold tub molded directly into seamless alabaster floors. Marvel at this jaw-dropping floating gold staircase that effortlessly spirals upward into the monumental alabaster ceilings. Train inside an elite fitness facility, completely enclosed by towering champagne gold skeletal arches and bright ambient lighting. This grand indoor dining extension lounge boasts a colossal table framed by massive curved opaque glass walls. Listen to immaculate melodies in this performance lounge, featuring a custom grand piano molded from liquid alabaster. Swim inside this breathtaking indoor pool enclosure wrapped completely in monumental Calatrava-inspired gold structural ribs. Even the guest bathrooms radiate insane wealth, with solid alabaster vanities floating flawlessly from jointless walls. Behind the scenes sits an ultra-sleek hidden prep kitchen with seamless touch-activated cabinetry and pristine gold counters. This epic entertainment hall features a custom billiards table crafted perfectly from polished gold and velvet materials. The private VIP ensuite bathroom delivers pure elite luxury with an enormous custom-carved gold soaking tub. Relax inside this biomorphic steam room featuring beautifully curved alabaster benches and glowing gold integrated light ribbons. This stunning guest bathroom showcases a solid alabaster vanity extending naturally out from continuous golden structural walls. Unwind completely inside this breathtaking indoor pavilion with magnificent sculpted gold daybeds flowing from the resin floors. Even the climate control vents are beautifully customized into continuous flowing champagne gold ceiling folds across the estate. The indoor terrace lounge delivers spectacular expansive panoramic views through towering opaque smart glass curved perimeter walls. Experience concert hall acoustics inside this custom audiophile room with premium speakers built directly into the flowing walls. Even this practical mudroom arrivals foyer features flawless soft alabaster cabinetry built directly into sweeping biomorphic walls. The first floor secondary master suite boasts a stunning platform bed flowing naturally out of fluid alabaster structures. This massive family suite features custom organic bunk beds seamlessly built directly into the flowing soft alabaster walls. This unbelievable indoor garden atrium brings nature inside under a monumental glass dome wrapped in skeletal gold ribs. Sip rare vintages inside this magnificent tasting lounge defined by polished gold counters and flowing biomorphic illumination panels. Ensure absolute peace of mind inside a high-tech security hub featuring a curved wall of monitoring displays. This insanely massive immersive cinema features colossal custom-tiered seating integrated into sweeping biomorphic acoustic wall structures. This stunning breakfast nook features an organic gold dining table, seamlessly blending with the floor and biomorphic walls. At night, this monumental estate completely transforms as glowing golden ribbons pulse through the beautiful soft alabaster structures. Behold these insane, bespoke parametric furniture pieces, meticulously crafted from liquid gold and highly polished alabaster. Relax upstairs in this spectacular family lounge, where continuous flowing gold structures create a perfect cozy sanctuary. This seductive romance room features custom circular daybeds beautifully recessed into deep gold and alabaster walls. This insanely sleek butler pantry provides massive hidden storage disguised behind gorgeous flush-mounted soft alabaster cabinetry. Check out this jaw-dropping auto vault displaying multi-million-dollar supercars surrounded by polished gold and glowing floors. This massive service corridor features sleek doors flush against continuous and highly polished soft alabaster wall structures. Marvel at this custom indoor showroom displaying rare, elite heavy motorcycles parked across hyper-glossy, soft alabaster floors. This massive, multi-story home library boasts beautiful curved gold shelves that integrate seamlessly into the biomorphic architecture. Even the private staff quarters display unparalleled elite luxury, with beautiful seamless finishes and organic styling. Relax inside this spectacular private sitting lounge, featuring custom gold sofas flowing naturally out of soft alabaster floors. Every guest bedroom delivers unparalleled elite comfort and spectacular flowing biomorphic gold architecture. This stunning cosmetics room features highly polished gold counters and custom mirrors with glowing alabaster backlights. Marvel at this monumental custom light installation that flows from the ceiling like waves of molten gold. This massive, organized pantry storage room offers incredible custom shelving elements sculpted directly into smooth alabaster walls. Walk through this spectacular, endless corridor, where seamless alabaster walls and glowing light ribbons guide your way. Treat your guests to ultimate elite luxury in a VIP suite, featuring seamless walls and stunning gold highlights. Practice your swing inside a world-class professional golf simulator room, surrounded by sleek, liquid gold architectural framing. Indulge in absolute elite wellness inside your private treatment room, featuring a spectacular carved alabaster massage table. The private service stairs boast a sleek, continuous soft alabaster design, completely removing all traditional sharp angles. Look through sweeping internal glass walls into a colossal, climate-controlled indoor orchard filled with thriving nature. This stunning feminine suite features a magnificent floating circular bed framed by continuous biomorphic champagne gold arcs. This colossal indoor spa shower features an incredible rainfall system integrated into flowing soft alabaster resin walls. The indoor lounge seating area delivers ultimate billionaire comfort with beautifully contoured, low-profile, custom organic couches. Find your absolute inner zen inside this tranquil meditation room, boasting soothing organic shapes and warm ambient illumination. Ride between floors inside this breathtaking glass capsule elevator that climbs seamlessly alongside monumental champagne gold structures. Even the powder room showcases absolute billionaire wealth with a floating gold sink and seamless biomorphic architecture. This epic casual media lounge features an insane custom curved sofa facing a massive integrated entertainment display. This incredible entry transition hallway features fluid architectural folds that guide you into massive entertainment zones. Fuel your day at this ultra-luxury espresso bar, crafted entirely from highly polished, soft alabaster surfaces. The secondary service stairs boast a sleek, continuous gold design, completely removing all traditional sharp angles. Look down from the majestic upper-level overlook to witness the absolute colossal scale of this fluid masterpiece. Even the private staff quarters display unparalleled elite luxury with beautiful seamless finishes and organic styling. The indoor terrace lounge delivers spectacular, expansive panoramic views through towering, opaque, smart glass curved perimeter walls. This final mind-blowing pullback reveals how every single space flows perfectly like a living, breathing entity. Conclude the tour in this epic Horizon Lounge, displaying the absolute ultimate peak of futuristic billionaire lifestyle.